So we're going to pick up where we left off from our removal of the mechanism and standard clip. Now we're going to install the machine pocket clip, and it consists of 4 pieces: the clip, the adapter, and 2 screws. The mechanism screw on the tie button and the clip screws for the machine clip are the same screw. So these are supposed to be bent a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but those 2 little ears are bent away from this portion of the adapter. That is supposed to be that way. That is engineered to be that way. So this will snap down in that groove, run that guy down, line that up with the little slot that's in the end of the barrel. Now from this point, what we do when we build them here is I will put this guy in this 5C collet closer. I will stick my driver in there and tighten that up. That's how we do it here at the shop. If you don't have one of these, you can use Knipex pliers to hold the pin barrel. These don't work very good for that, especially if it's tight, because this can slip. These were just something that we made just to make it easier for people that are on a budget, so to speak. So once you get that in there and lined up, take your clip, set your clip on there, take your screws, put your screws in. Now we've had customers that will buy a machine clip, and typically that comes assembled onto the adapter. You have to remove the adapter from the clip before you install it. So put the adapter in first, tighten your mechanism up, put the clip on, put the screws in, put the plunger back in, line it up, put your screw back in there of your mechanism. Notice I pushed that down just a little bit to put that screw in so it doesn't hit up here. And that's it.